School is a place where every child's foundation for a lifetime is laid and the young minds with endless dreams are shaped and nurtured. United Public School provides such an environment that inspires learning and living, because we know that children deserve a holistic development. The campus at UPS is designed to spark curiosity with clean, safe and green environment, smart classrooms, efficient teaching methods, skilled teachers, and a strong focus on ethics and discipline. We help children grow into responsible, happy individuals through hands-on learning, indoor and outdoor activities, from sports, dance to art and craft. Our students explore and evolve with joy. UPS is not just a school, but a second home where your child's future begins.